parler trop fort parce que moi, j'ai une réaction vidéo. I want you guys to see the reaction of the Blue Crab live crab and everything. So, nobody for you from people usually. I'll be there. He already brought me some live crab. Remind me of Haiti. I miss my country so bad. This is the life having there. But guys, they can cut you and really cut you. So be careful when you do life crimes, okay? So the kids running away. I was scared. I ran away. I went to my room. I come back outside. I didn't know what to do. There's a lot. So you guys see? Look how ti moun jan li kenbe koutou avec dan li yo vraiment strong. So kete bagay sa ou morde yo, di ka fe max yo. They still crab. You can lift you they can cut you. Bite you really good and lift you with scars in your body. So be careful if you're dealing with them. I advise you if you scared. But put some hot water in the thing and then add them to your sticker or to a big bucket and drain the water. But me, I'm gonna put them in the water first. I want to see them live and they, like it's the norm. So I'm Haitian, so I'm gonna get not me. I was scared. I was running. So the kids was running away. I was scared. I knew my fiance will be able to deal with that. I let him do his thing because you see. Kabla sorti, visan lè sou kan tombe a terre. Hello? Kouri pou la modem. Moi-même qui cap toujours fait jolem se famande yo maman tagay. Kounya la yo kembem jodi hein. Kouri pou kabla. Ti moun yo la moi ti moun yo te kouri. Montre de cheveux pas sorti. Mkite la avec cap vidéo. Kounya to retourner back, mettez on a bucket. I did add a big bucket, put them in the water. I wanted to see them, just to, even I'm scared, I wanted to see them, So they trying to come out, guys. Essaye pour sortir dans bucket quand ils nous mettez de l'eau là-dedans, yo sorti à l'aise là. Like it's kind of like I didn't even want to kill them or anything. I just want them to see them in the water. I wish they could stay in the water forever. I would not to eat them. Sorry, crab. I went to sleep, and when I went to the room. I tell you, I fall asleep. When I get up, Happy was, started to clean them. He did boil some hot water, add them, and then clean them. As a man, he did have what he can. So let me tell you, I team de cuisine. So, fiancé me prend yo, mettez de l'eau chaude là-dedans yo. Faire un bon petit travail. Connaissez un garçon, lui, mes amis, lui, vide de l'eau chaude. Il aide, mais moi-même, ma mettre dans le freezer, m'a fait les légumes ou bien bouillon ou bien la l'eau. So, m'a juste retiré, fin préparer pour comme parce qu'on est garçon. En tout cas, moi, vraiment, après ça le fait, moi, 9 sur 10, garçon, il fait effort, mes amis, les gars, so, il dégage, je suis bien content. Merci, tu m'as marié dans l'autre vidéo, il faut montrer une réaction, ça